Hey people, welcome. In today's video I am steaming my kitchen, dining, and living room floors. So let's get started with the video. I began by prepping my floors in the living room by vacuuming first. I love the lines my vacuum makes now. I believe that this is attributed to the cleaning of my vacuum. If you are interested, I will leave the video in the description box below. How many times do you sweep your kitchen and dining room floors? So this is my first time using this steamer to clean my carpet. I've used it on the wood floors, but this is my first time using it for the carpet. If you like, I have a video sharing an unboxing of this steamer. I will leave the link in the description box below. I'm steaming my living room carpet because it has the highest traffic in our home. Did you know that steam cleaning can clean up to 97% of dirt and bacteria from your carpet? I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but... And now it's time for me to steam my dining and my kitchen floors. If you're interested, I will leave a link in the description box below showing the first time I steamed these floors with this steamer. So while steaming the carpet, I ran out of water, so I had to fill the tank back up with some water. All in all, I am pleased with how this steam mop operated, especially on the carpet. Unfortunately, I did lose the footage of the final result, but you guys could see how things were used. But this steamer is affordable, it's accessible, it's versatile, and it's convenient. So I am really liking this steamer. Well, did you guys enjoy today's video? Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment to let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel if this is the type of content that you like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.